Hello friends, welcome to our today's online session in chemistry. In today's session, we will see chlorine and compounds of chlorine. Chlorine is the second member of group 17 elements, that is halogen family. It was discovered by a Swedish German chemist Scheele in 1774 by the action of hydrochloric acid on manganese dioxide. In 1810, Davis established its elementary nature and suggested the name chlorine because of its color. The color of chlorine is a greenish yellow. This chlorine is derived from a word chloros, which is a Greek word chloros meaning greenish yellow. That's why it was named as chlorine. Then preparation of chlorine. Chlorine can be prepared by oxidation of hydrochloric acid with manganese dioxide. Here MnO2 reacts with 4 HCl molecules to form MnCl2 plus Cl2. Chlorine gas is produced plus twice H2O. Then potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate twice KMnO4 plus 16 HCl to form twice KCl. Potassium chloride, manganese dichloride plus 8 H2O molecules plus 5 Cl2 molecules are produced. Then second method is by Deccan's process. Chlorine is manufactured by the oxidation of hydrogen chloride gas by atmospheric oxygen in presence of cupric chloride as a catalyst at 723 Kelvin. Here 4 HCl molecules are oxidized by atmospheric oxygen to form twice Cl2 molecules plus twice H2 molecules are produced. Then next method is by electrolytic process. By the electrolysis of brine solution. Brine solution is the concentrated NaCl solution. This chlorine is liberated at the cathode. Here in this reaction, in this process, this sodium chloride ionizes into Na plus Cl minus ions. At cathode, 2 water molecules twice H2O molecules gains 2 electrons to form H2 hydrogen molecules plus twice OH minus ions are produced. These OH minus ions then react with sodium plus ions to form NaOH. Here at cathode there is the reduction can be takes place. There is the gain of electrons can be takes place. At anode this chloride ions loses electron to form elementary chlorine. Then these 2 atoms of chlorine reacts with each other to form Cl2 molecule. In this way chlorine is produced in electrolytic process. Then physical properties of chlorine. Chlorine is a greenish yellow gas. It has a pungent odor. It having a boiling point of 239 Kelvin and a melting point of 171.6 Kelvin. This is a poisonous gas. This gas is harmful to nature. It is a 2 to 5 times denser than air. It can be effectively condensed and this gas is marginally dissolvable into water. These are some of the physical properties of chlorine gas. Then chemical properties of chlorine. First we see reaction with metals. Chlorine reacts with metals to form chlorides. Aluminum metal reacts with chlorine to form aluminum chloride twice Al plus thrice Cl2 to produces twice AlCl3 aluminum chloride. Then sodium metal twice Na plus Cl2 to produces twice NaCl. Sodium metal reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride. Then twice Fe, that is iron, reacts with thrice Cl2 molecules to form twice FeCl3, that is a ferric chloride is produced. Then reaction with non-metals. Chlorine reacts with non-metals to form their chlorides. P4. Phosphorus reacts with 6 chlorine molecules 6Cl2 to produces 4PCl3. That is, phosphorus chloride is a produce phosphorus trichloride. Then sulfur molecule, acid molecule reacts with 4 chlorine molecules to form 4H2Cl2. That is, a sulfur chloride is produced. Then affinity for hydrogen. This chlorine has a great affinity for hydrogen. It reacts with hydrogen and compounds containing hydrogen to form HCl. H2 reacts with Cl2 to form twice HCl, that is a hydrochloric acid. Then hydrogen sulfide H2S reacts with chlorine to form twice HCl plus sulfur is produced. Then next to this is reaction with ammonia. This chlorine reacts with excess of ammonia. Then it gives nitrogen and ammonium chloride. Whereas when excess of chlorine reacts with ammonia, then nitrogen trichloride is a form. You can see this reaction. 8 ammonia molecules react with 3 chlorine molecules to form 6NH4Cl, which is a ammonium chloride 2 plus N2 gas is produced. Then if this excess of chlorine reacts with ammonia to form NCl3, that is a nitrogen trichloride, which is a explosive, plus thrice HCl molecules are produced. Then reaction with alkali. NaOH. This NaOH reacts with chlorine molecule to form NaCl, sodium chloride, plus water molecule is produced and sodium chlorate is produced here. Then next is reaction with alkali. Calcium hydroxide reacts with chlorine to form CaOCl2, which is a bleaching powder, calcium hypochlorite, plus CaCl2, calcium chloride, and H2O is produced. This CaOCl2, which is the bleaching powder, calcium hypochlorite. Then reaction with hydrocarbons. Chlorine reacts with saturated hydrocarbons to give substitution product, and with unsaturated hydrocarbons gives additional product. This methane reacts with chlorine in presence of UV light to form methyl chloride plus HCl. When ethene, unsaturated hydrocarbon, reacts with Cl2 to form 1,2-dichloroethane. Then next reaction is oxidizing properties of chlorine. Chlorine oxidizes ferrous salt to ferric salts and sulfide to sulfates. Here the reaction is given twice FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, plus H2SO4 plus Cl2 produces ferric sulfate, ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate, Fe2SO4 thrice, plus twice HCl. Then sodium sulfite reacts with chlorine plus water to form sodium sulfate plus HCl is produced. It oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur tetraoxide. You can see this reaction, and iodine to iodate. In presence of water, they form sulfuric acid and iodic acid. SO2 reacts with twice H2O plus Cl2 to form H2SO4, sulfuric acid, plus twice HCl. Here I2, iodine, reacts with 6 water molecules plus 5 chlorine molecules to form 2 iodic acid molecules plus 10 HCl molecules are produced. Then bleaching action of chlorine gas. This bleaching action of this chlorine is due to the nascent oxygen produced by chlorine in moisture. It liberates nascent oxygen from water, which is responsible for its oxidizing and bleaching property. Here this chlorine gas in presence of water produces this nascent oxygen. You can see this reaction. Nascent means single oxygen atom. Here, this chlorine bleaches vegetable matter or colored organic matter in the presence of moisture to colorless matter. This colored matter plus this nascent oxygen, then colorless matter is produced. Means it is act as a bleaching agent. Then uses of chlorine. First use of chlorine is for purification, that is a sterilization of drinking water. Then second is it is for bleaching wood pulp required for the manufacture of paper and rayon, bleaching cotton and textiles. Then third use of chlorine is for the extraction of metals like gold and platinum. Then it is used in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and organic compounds such as CCl4, CHCl3, chloroform and DDT and refrigerants, etc. It is also used in the preparation of poisonous gases such as phosphogen, COCl2, tear gas and mustard gas. These are some of the uses of chlorine gas. Then next to this is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride was first prepared in the year 1648 by Glauber by heating sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid. In this year 1840, Davis showed that this HCl is a compound of chlorine and hydrogen. The common name of hydrochloric acid is a muriatic acid. Then how it is prepared? Production of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is produced when sodium chloride is mixed with sulfuric acid. Twice NaCl reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate plus 2 HCl molecules are produced. Then properties of hydrogen chloride. It is a colorless and having a pungent smelling gas. It can be easily liquefied to a colorless liquid. Boiling point of hydrochloric acid is a 189 Kelvin and it freezes to a white crystalline solids. Melting point of HCl is a 159 Kelvin. Then it is a highly soluble in water. It readily reacts with ammonia forming ammonium chloride. These are some of the properties of hydrogen chloride. Then chemical properties. First we see acidic properties. Hydrogen chloride is highly soluble in water and ionizes as HCl gas plus water, liquid water, H3O plus ions, that is hydronium ions are produced plus Cl minus ions are produced. This Ka value is equal to 10 raised to 7. The aqueous solution of HCl gas is called as hydrochloric acid. High value of dissociation constant, that is a Ka, indicates that it is a very strong acid. Then reaction with ammonia. HCl reacts with ammonia to give white fumes of ammonium chloride. NH3 plus HCl gives ammonium. Then reaction with noble metals. Noble metals. The metals like gold, platinum, silver are called as noble metals because they resist to chemical actions. They are non-corrosive in nature. That's why they are called as noble metals. These noble metals react with aqua regia solution. Aqua regia solution means there are the three parts of concentrated HCl, that is a hydrochloric acid, and one part of concentrated HNO3, that is a nitric acid, are mixed. Then aqua regia is a form. These noble metals like a gold, platinum get dissolved into aqua regia. Here the reaction is given. Gold reacts with 4H plus ions plus nitrate ions, NO3 minus ion plus 4Cl minus ions. Then tetrachloroaurate ion is formed, nitric oxide is formed, and twice H2O molecules are formed in this reaction. Then second reaction is platinum. Platinum metal reacts with 16H plus ions plus 4 nitrate ions, NO3 minus ions, plus 18 chloride ions, Cl minus ions, to form hexachloroplatinate ions, thrice PtCl6 2 minus ions. Hexachloroplatinate ions plus 4NO nitric oxide molecules are produced plus H2O molecules are produced here. These are some of the reactions of hydrogen chloride